This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Suzanne Sussman, relocation and luxury homes specialist. What are you waiting for? Live just a stone's throw from the beach and world-class dining and shopping. This 1-bedroom, 2-bath fully furnished rental with private laundry is available now. Utilities are included. Oversized bedroom with a king-size adjustable bed and sitting area and private bathroom. The main living has a convertible sofa and there is a Murphy bed in the family room/den and another full bathroom. This is available completely turnkey with great outdoor space for entertaining and relaxing. So much to do and see in the area. Great walkability. Main unit door is on the west side/front of the structure. Additional on-street parking is available in front of the unit. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzanne Sussman, relocation and luxury home specialist at 561-981-9597.